कोरोना वायरस। जिधर भी देखो बस यही एक खबर है। अच्छे से जानते हैं कि आप कोरोना का रोना सुन सुनकर परेशान हो चुके हैं। पूरे देश के साथ साथ पूरा विश्व कोरोना वायरस से पहले की दुनिया को बहुत मिस कर रहा है। वो बेधड़क होकर घूमना, दोस्तों के साथ गपशप, रोड साइड टेस्टी फूड, बारिशों की मौज मस्ती, वीकेंड पे धमा चौकड़ी, पार्कों में बच्चों का शोर, ऐसी हजारों चीजें हैं जिसे पूरा देश आज बहुत याद कर रहा है। सभी के मन में आज बस एक ही सवाल है कि पता नहीं कब खत्म होगा ये कोरोना वायरस का प्रकोप। सांस संजोली की टीम ने देश के कुछ युवाओं के मन की बात जानने की कोशिश की। आइए आपको सुनाते हैं देश के मन की बात।
There are a lot of things that I've missed really badly because of the imposition of lockdown due to coronavirus. Some of which are traveling with friends. We had a lot of plans of traveling throughout the year, which are completely ruined. And I was playing badminton pretty daily, which is also affected due to the coronavirus, and I can't play badminton now.
Hi everyone, my name is Vandita. I'm a freelance makeup artist. Okay, so the most important thing what I miss in lockdown is, yes, obviously doing makeups on my clients and on myself. I mean, how badly I'm missing it. Yes, obviously I'm also missing that I can't go to my mom's place. I just want to spend time with her. And the major missing is obviously the shopping, which I can do it like in any time of the day. I miss it so badly. And yes, I miss eating the street food, the junk food, the golgappas and chaat papdis. I'm missing them so badly. And yes, I'm just waiting for this pandemic to get over and jump back into the normal life. Till then, I can only tell you guys that stay safe at your home and please take care of yourself and your loved ones. All right, see you.
So basically, there are three things mostly that I miss doing during lockdown. First is to go back home, back to Hong Kong, where I live with my husband and two dogs. And right now I'm in Delhi with my son, 15 months old, and my mother and my brother. So that is the first thing, because there is no international flights that has been operating yet. So that is the first thing I miss doing most. Second is to go out freely without having any fear with my baby who's too young to wear a mask. Third is I had plans to go to Jaipur, Udaipur, Jaisalmer. Basically, I want to go to Kerala to meet one of the best friends who recently had a baby, which I couldn't do because of lockdown. So yeah, these three things. Thank you.
Hi, during this lockdown period, I really miss to go out and meet with the people. As you know that nowadays we can't go outside and meeting with people. So sometimes we gets bored. We cannot meet with the people, with the friends, family. So I really missed meeting with people. And yeah, street food. We used to go outside and used to eat some street food. We used to go to mall. So here malls are closed, so we can't go out for shopping. So that's it.
The thing that I am missing the most because of COVID-19 is going to the gym, and even I don't know that when would I be able to go back and the gym would probably open up. So yeah.
What I miss most being in lockdown is my travel. I love to travel, and recently I had a daughter. I wanted her to travel with me and see the world around us. We had planned to go abroad also. Those plans got cancelled, and that hurts. Because I am a person who loves to travel around and enjoy the scenery, the different weather. Secondly, I miss meeting my friends and my workplace a lot because I love the vibrant energy that children give. Because I'm a teacher, so when I see children around me, that energy, I miss that energy a lot. I wish and I pray that this corona gets over really soon and I can go and meet people and enjoy myself.
ना टुन्ने के कबाब, ना वाहिद की बिरयानी, ना निहारी, ना चाट, ना रिवर फ्रंट पे घूमना, ना मरीन ड्राइव पे जाना, ये सारी चीज़ें इतनी मिस हो रही है ना, वो भी अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ। एक्सटेंशन पे जाके बैठना, गेड़ियाँ मारना, गोमती नगर में घूमना, हजरतगंज में गंजिंग करना, सब चीज़ें लॉकडाउन की वजह से बहुत मिस हो रही हैं।
Hello everyone, my name is Kanika Khurana. I live in Delhi. I am an event management professional also, and as all of you are aware of this tough time, Corona time, what I am missing in this time is my mom dad. मैं अपने मम्मी पापा से मिली नहीं हूँ जब से लॉकडाउन हुआ है। वो दिल्ली रहते हैं पर फिर भी हम नहीं मिले, तो सबसे ज़्यादा मुझे उनकी याद आ रही है। और उसके बाद व्हाट आई एम मिसिंग इज़ माई फ्रीडम। एक फ्रीडम थी, कहीं भी चले जाओ, कहीं भी किसी रेस्टोरेंट में चले जाओ, मार्केट चले जाओ, कुछ भी खा लो, वो फ्रीडम बहुत मिस हो रही है अब। आई एम मिसिंग दैट अ लॉट। एंड मेरा एक छोटा बेटा है, तो आई एम ऑल्सो मिसिंग हाउ दीज किड्स यूज टू गो टू स्कूल एंड हाउ दे यूज टू इन्जॉय देयर आउटिंग्स, प्लेइंग। वो सब भी बहुत मिस हो रहा है। एक तरह से अपनी लाइफ मिस कर रही हूँ मैं।
दोस्तों, आपके लगातार मिल रहे प्यार के लिए शुक्रिया। सांझ संजोली न्यूज़ चैनल पर ताज़ा तरीन वीडियो तुरंत पाने के लिए अभी चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। खबरों से रूबरू होने के लिए आप सांझ संजोली की वेबसाइट www.sanjoli.com पर भी जा सकते हैं।